that time very nice thing he said. He is like, you know what? We both will come together. We will both take care of the house. We will both take care of the baby.
Because I don't want her to leave the passion, because passion is passion only. You can't sacrifice your dream for something, and everything is possible, I can say that.
So बहुत पहले हम मिले थे in 2000. So I came to Mumbai to give some exam, my pilot exam, and I didn't know where to go, what to do. तो few friends होते थे flying club के. I called one of them and I said कि exam कहाँ पे है. तो उसने बोला मेरा एक friend है, वो भी exam देने जा रहा है, तो you can go with him, he will drop you. I said ठीक है. And he picked me up and dropped me to the exam hall. उसके बाद we never met. And then comes 2008.
एक एयरपोर्ट पे मैं अपने काम से जा रहा था और हमारी मुलाकात तो वहाँ हुई थी. दोनों वहाँ पर ही मिले थे हम लोग. थोड़ी देर की मुलाकात हुई थी उस वक्त, तो ज़्यादा लंबी भी नहीं थी, हार्डली 15 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स भी नहीं होगा.
This is how we met. Next day he took my number from my friend and then he's calling me that, you know, I need some notes because, you know, you are a captain now, so you must be having some notes. So I said, yeah, okay, take notes. He came to take notes. He never asked for notes. And then he's just asking, where do you like to have coffee? And can we go to Oberoi to have a coffee? And this, that. And I'm like, ये notes की तो he's not even talking about notes.
वो तो बोलते हैं हार्ट फीलिंग आ जाती है, तो आई थिंक सो वो फीलिंग आ गई थी, तो डायरेक्टली मैरिज का ही था कि वी शुड गेट मैरिड एंड आइडल पर्सन.
We just connected because the criteria, what criteria we had, more than love, the criteria met. He also thought that I'll be perfect fit in his family, and that is how we just like connected. And then he proposed, and then I went to his house. Everybody liked me, and luckily that is how it all started. That is how, and within 3 months we got married.
You can say it's happened very naturally only, and it happened. It was destined to happen. बोलते हैं कुछ लिखा होता है तो वो होना ही है.
So initially what had happened that when I started flying after my baby, I used to do all morning flight. As I said that my company was supportive. I used to do all short flight like Indore back, Rajkot back. Those are 2 to 3 hours flight. And I used to go back to my baby. But then what happens, it was happening that I get up at 3 o'clock and then come back, and then my baby wants to play with me only all day. He doesn't want to sleep. So I told him, I said, it is getting really difficult. That time his biggest support was, you know, he said, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel comfortable. If you feel comfortable calling your mom so that she can take care of the baby, you know, till the time, you know, he's little big. So if she takes care of him, you can call her. So that gave me just his those 2-3 liners gave me such relief that I forgot about, you know, कि I am getting up early, I am doing this, because now I have it in mind that whenever I am done and tired, I have the options.
मेरा तो वही था कि okay fine, because I don't want her to leave the passion, because passion is passion only. You can't sacrifice your dream for something, and everything is possible, I can say that, which is happening also.
You know, that time very nice thing he said. He is like, you know what, abhi for a time being you're feeling that, you know, you can call your mom, she can take care of the baby, sleep well, go for the flight. Do not give up, do not take a break. He is like, don't do that. I know we can take care of the baby, we both will come together, we will both take care of the house, we will both take care of the baby, we can do whatever is possible. And then finally, like my mom, she came, she took charge, she took care of the baby.
So there is nothing else to be thought in that time. सच्ची बताऊँ तो मेरे मन में कुछ और नहीं था. वो फैमिली है, फैमिली they can stay and they can obviously take care of the kids. अब जो लोग सब बोलते हैं कि कैसे रुकेंगे या क्या है, I have never thought of that.
कभी आपको कुछ सुनने को मिला सोसाइटी से?
नहीं, मेरे को तो कोई आज तक नहीं बोला है. सच्ची बताऊँ तो कोई ने भी ऐसे पॉइंट आउट भी नहीं किया है, ना कुछ बातें हुई है. एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू हर ऑल्सो बिकॉज शी हैज़ टेकन अ बिग रोल ओवर हियर.
there was a division, like कि when I am home I am with my baby, when he is home he is with the baby.
ऑब्वियसली आई टेक केयर, अगर कोई नहीं भी होगा घर पे आई, और मतलब बच्चों को खिलाना मॉर्निंग को ब्रेकफास्ट एंड मेक श्योर दे गो स्कूल मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई कैन से टाइडी वॉट एवर आई कैन डू द बेस्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम एज परफेक्ट एज हर in sending the school properly, but obviously I take care, like change them, puja bhi kara leta hu, and then I take them to the school.
So you need that person in your life where somebody is always lifting you up, like when Jet Airways was shut, I was in Jet. When Jet was shutting down, I was emotionally, all the Jet Airways pilot, we were emotionally all broken because it was like a family. We worked there for like 10 to 15 years. So that time I was like at my lowest point in life. That was the lowest point of my life. And that time, you won't believe, I used to cry every day. I don't know for what, no reason, but just emotionally. That time, I think every day he used to take me down for a walk. He used to talk to me. What happened? It keeps happening. This is aviation industry. Airline comes, goes, this is fine. So that time I needed him and he was there. He said, you want to take a break? You want to calm down? You want to take a break for 6 months? Because there are airlines who will take you whenever you join. You want to take a break 6 months? Go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. We'll go somewhere. You freshen up and then you join. एक क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है about him. Actually there are many, but one, if you want to ask me, his time management and his dedication. Like his time management is like, if there is anything he has to do, uska finishing time is like, let's say 4 days, so he will do it today. I will wait for the last day. And dedication. So whatever he does, it is with 100% dedication. Like it's not even 99%. It's 100%.
सेम क्वेश्चन, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, मतलब बच्चों को भी ध्यान देना. आई थिंक सो किड्स आर, आई थिंक सो लीलेंट विथ मी, नॉट लीलेंट, आई कैन से वेरी लीलेंट, बट विथ हर दे आर ओके फाइन, एक्टिव, आई कैन से दैट, ऑन टोज.
Like things which I don't have, he has, and things which he doesn't have, I have. Like that way we complete. Like he is more sophisticated guy, and I am like दो स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट टाइप की, किसी से भी बात कर लिया, कुछ भी कर लिया. सो एवरी टाइम लाइक कहीं भी कुछ ज़रूरत होती है तो कोई एक होता है कि मतलब इफ़ ही डजंट डू दैट, आई विल डू दैट. इफ़ आई कैन नॉट डू दैट, ही विल बी एबल टू डू दैट.
आपको हमारी स्टोरी पसंद आई है तो
लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू हॉटरफ्लाई.